Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today, I'll show you how to convert your Google Play balance into a redeem code easily. Now, let's jump right into it. First, open your Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu. Tap Redeem Code. Here, you can enter a code if you already have one. Important, there's no direct way to turn your Play balance into a redeem code. Instead, go back to the Play Store home and tap the search bar. Type Google Wallet and hit search. If available in your region, download and install Google Wallet. Through Google Wallet, you might have more options to manage or use Play balance. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.